What up, you guys? Danny for Shoe Boxing on some Vans. Here we have the box. Take a look around. On both sides of the box, it has the words Vans printed on over it, and it has when it was made, the year since 1966. So the back, the box, it came like that. The size is men's US 9.5, color navy blue. There you got the barcode. Let's look at the other back. You got the Vans logo. So it's at the top. I already took these out, you guys, and laced them up. It comes with the normal paper, which Vans will come with. Excuse me. Here are the Vans. Now let's take one pair and look at them. It's color navy blue. You got the Vans tag right here. Only comes with white shoelaces, no other shoelaces. And it has that blue outline that goes all the way around the shoe. Has white stitching right here. Let's look at the toe, the side, and the back. You got a red Vans logo. The bottom, you got a dumb bottom. Very nice. That'll be all, you guys. Comment, like, subscribe. Peace.